The recipe I'm going to be putting in the description is for 2 pounds of Hamburg. We're making 4 because my grandchildren love this jerky, and we always end up giving them a whole lot. So tonight we're making 4 pounds, but again, the recipe I'll be putting in the description will be for 2 pounds. And we use our dehydrator in order to finish this off. It's a great little snack. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the ingredients, and I'll just take you down to the list. Again, in the description will be for 2 pounds of hamburger. So the first thing we're going to be adding is teriyaki sauce. And let's talk about teriyaki sauce for a minute. Let that rest there and drain. This is the teriyaki sauce I choose to use. This is the garlic and green onion. I take half of this, and then here is triple ginger and half of this. So I combine the two. Let me get a spatula out here. With the teriyaki sauce, we're going to be putting garlic powder and onion powder in. And that's a tablespoon of each. Next will be brown sugar, half a cup. I packed this in good. And then we have 3/4 of a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, W sauce as I call it, and a tablespoon and a half of soy sauce. Add those. And then last but not least is salt. And half a teaspoon of salt. And then Todd is going to mix this all up. He's going to put on some rubber gloves and mix this all up. Okay, Todd is just going to take and combine all these ingredients.
Yeah, it's definitely with it.
Guess I could have put that in a bigger bowl, huh?
You don't have to get it too mixed, because once it goes through the grinder, it'll mix it really well.
Yes, we are going to take it through the grinder. It does a great job of just making sure that everything is very tender and well mixed. And once it goes to the grinder, we'll cover it up in a bowl and we'll let it sit overnight before we put it into strips for drying.
Happy birthday, Odin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn it on.
Okay.
I don't want to touch the...
Okay, this is the end result of grinding it. Shut that off. Now there's several reasons why we grind. One is because it does a great job of mixing all those seasonings into the meat. And the next most important reason why we grind is because whenever we put this into the, I don't know what we call it, like a jerky machine that squeezes out and makes the strips, it will squeeze it out much better and do a much better job. And you'll be seeing that whenever we...
That looks good.
We'll let this rest overnight in the refrigerator, and we'll be making our jerky tomorrow. So that's it for the night.
Make sure you cover it.
Yeah, of course. Okay, we're in step 2 of this process. It sat overnight in the refrigerator after we took it and put it through the grinder. Todd's now filling up the cylinder. And he's going to push out some jerky sticks and some jerky, I guess, just like flat pieces. I'm not sure what they're called, but... And just remember that one of the main reasons why we grind it is so when he pushes it through that cylinder, that it comes out smoothly and easily and doesn't come out as a lump. We've been there, done this a couple times, and it's worth the extra work to take it through the grinder. Anything you want to add, hon?
Get it done.
And it takes all 7 of these trays to do this 4-pound. You'll see he puts it very close together because we need every bit of space we have on them. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, Todd has loaded the last cylinder. And these are all going to be the round pieces. Holden likes them better and Todd likes them better, so we'll make some round. But we will have 7 trays, or pretty near 7 trays, from those 4 pounds of meat. You'll see that I have a silicone cover on these metal trays, and you have to use them or else the meat will fall through those grills, and it was a mess to clean up. That's all I'm going to say about that. Lesson learned. So for this application, I do use the silicone tray liners. Get this into the dehydrator and I'll be able to send Holden some jerky here. Well, all the grandkids actually. It's Holden's birthday. I think we're done here. So I'll take these trays and put them into the dehydrator and get that going next. Okay, all the 7 trays have been loaded and I have started the dehydrator. 158 is the temp. 5 hours, we'll check it and see how we're doing. Be back to show you the end process. Okay, just wanted to show you the end result. So now I'll take these out of here and I'll just put them in a Ziploc bag and we'll have little treats. Oh, this will last us a good month, 6 weeks. Well, maybe not quite because I got to give some to the grandkiddos. They love it. Very happy, and oh my gosh, the aroma in the house was amazing. So, and I got the freeze dryer going too. That's the reason why this is sitting on a table. Only so much room. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget the recipe will be in the description. And you have a blessed day.